Meaning of Ernest Shackleton.
Ernest Shackleton.
Ernest Shackleton.
Ernest Shackleton.
Ernest Shackleton. Ernest Shackleton was a British explorer who gained fame for his Antarctic expeditions in the early 20th century. He led several expeditions to the continent, including the famous Endurance expedition, which became a testament to his leadership and determination in the face of adversity. Shackleton's name is now synonymous with exploration and adventure, and he is widely regarded as one of the greatest explorers in history. His legacy continues to inspire generations of adventurers to this day.